Water is the main fuel of your body. When preparing your water fuel for you and your loved ones, what would you do? Fill bottles directly from the top? Or use the water pitcher to filter your water before? Water pitchers available in the market partially remove some of these pollutants, but it's clearly not enough. On top of that, water pitcher cartridges are breeding ground for bacteria and microorganisms to grow and develop. Water pitchers do not remove bacteria but add it to your water. The Blu Act all-in-one solution instantly filters out all the contaminants you could find in your tap water, from pesticide passing through heavy metals to bacteria. Everything is removed. How? With the 4-stage filtration cartridge. First, a plant-based washable fabric takes care of microparticles and dust. Second, a coconut carbon block takes care of your water taste, smell, and microfiltration. Third, the Blu Act patented granulate media with milk protein remove the heavy metals and organic pollutants. And four, a hollow fiber takes care of the microbiology of water. This is called the ultimate filtration. The Blu Act technology solution is tested in NSF Michigan laboratories and is certified by the WHO. Just filter what you need when you need. Thanks to the faucet attachment and the diverter valve, you can filter water directly at the point of use. You can filter water to drink, to cook, and to wash your veggies. To clean dishes, don't waste your money. Just turn off the diverter valve to not filter water when no need. Keep control intelligently. Stop guessing when to change the filter cartridge. Thanks to the digital flow meter, you can monitor in real time how much water you are actually filtering and be alert when it's the exact time to change the Blu Act cartridge. It's better for your health, for your pocket, and for the planet.